What if a forgotten piece of metal held a secret story? Buried under layers of rust and time, a legend waits to be reborn. This is not just a restoration, it's a resurrection. Every screw and bolt holds a memory of a life once lived. To bring it back, it must first be completely undone. A careful deconstruction begins, a journey back in time. Each component is meticulously separated from the whole. The heart of the machine is slowly and carefully revealed. The controls that once guided its path are now set aside. The chains of time, seized by rust, are finally broken. Wheels that have long been still are removed for their transformation. Beneath the grime and decay, the promise of a new beginning emerges. Layer by layer, the past is stripped away. Even the tires, worn from old journeys, are peeled back. A close inspection reveals the true extent of the challenge ahead. The bare skeleton of the machine is prepared for its new life. The first pieces of the future are joined with the past. Slowly, the form begins to take shape once more. A methodical process where every detail matters. The foundation is set, solid and true. A craftsman's hands begin to piece together the puzzle. With patient force, warped metal is coaxed back into alignment. The aged and weary frame is positioned, ready for its rebirth. The components lay scattered, a testament to the monumental task. The engine, the machine's very soul, is carefully disassembled. Inside, years of neglect are exposed to the light. Sometimes, to rebuild, parts of the past must be shattered. The remnants of the old are cleared away to make room for the new. A ritualistic cleansing begins, washing away the years. A potent solution penetrates the deepest layers of grime. Every piece is purified, baptized in water and soap. Rinsed and renewed, the parts are ready for the next stage. From the clean slate, the engine's core is reassembled with precision. Modern techniques are used to seal and protect the restored heart. Piece by piece, the mechanical marvel is reborn. With final checks, the engine stands complete, a fusion of old and new. Every restored component is inspected with a critical eye. The engine, once seized and silent, now gleams with potential. Each part tells a story of meticulous care and dedication. The machine, once a ruin, stands poised for a triumphant return. A more aggressive method is needed to erase the deepest scars of time. Within the storm of sandblasting, the true surface is unveiled. Even the smallest pieces undergo this intense purification. There is no room for imperfection. Every trace of rust must vanish. The process is relentless, forging a clean canvas for the artist. Emerging from the storm, the raw metal form is exposed. The frame itself is subjected to the abrasive blast. a violent yet necessary process to ensure a flawless foundation. The wheels are stripped bare, ready for a new identity. With the past erased, the intricate process of rebirth begins. Precision mechanics guide the assembly of the core structure. Each movement is deliberate, a step towards completion. The internal components are given a final, detailed cleaning. No detail is too small, no part overlooked. The delicate carburetor is meticulously cleared of any impurities. Its tiny vital parts are carefully put back into place. A steady hand ensures perfect function. The reborn engine is prepared for its protective shell. A new skin is applied, a vibrant coat of paint signaling new life. Final imperfections on the frame are smoothed away before its own transformation. The art of metalworking, healing the scars of the exhaust. With heat and new material, the broken is made whole again. Meanwhile, other components undergo their own cleansing ritual. A vigorous scrub removes any remaining trace of the past. Every surface is prepared for the next stage of its evolution. The tires are soaked, ensuring they are pristine for reassembly. Attention turns to the plastics, welding cracks with focused heat. Shattered pieces are fused together with skill and patience. The excess is trimmed away, perfecting the repaired form. A clean workspace reflects a clear and focused mind. The repaired panel is washed, ready for its new color. Even the smallest metal parts receive a thorough, final cleaning. The frame, in its raw, rusted state, awaits its destiny. The first layer of primer is applied, a promise of the beauty to come. Each part receives its base coat, a uniform foundation. The process is smooth and even, a testament to the painter's skill. And then, the first flash of vibrant color appears. Bodywork begins, filling in dents and imperfections. The surface is sculpted and smoothed, preparing for a perfect finish. The final coat of paint completes the stunning transformation. A seemingly impossible repair, a shattered piece of plastic. With a specialized tool, the fragments are carefully fused back together. The bond is reinforced, creating a join as strong as the original. The surface of the weld is skillfully melted and smoothed. The repair is complete, almost invisible to the naked eye. Any remaining roughness is gently sanded away. A final wash ensures the part is ready for its new life. Now, the focus returns to the mechanical heart of the machine. A custom gasket is fashioned by hand, a mark of true craftsmanship. Cut with precision, it will ensure a perfect seal for the engine. Every curve and hole is perfectly replicated. The components for the engine's core are laid out, ready for assembly. New bearings are gently tapped into place. The intricate assembly of the gearbox begins. The two halves of the crankcase are brought together. The crankshaft is carefully installed, the centerpiece of the engine. A sealant compound is applied to ensure no leaks. valves and other critical components are slotted into place. Finally, the piston is installed, completing the engine's rebirth. The fully restored engine is a work of mechanical art. The process continues with the delicate assembly of its outer parts. A striking orange component adds a flash of custom personality. The two main engine sections are now ready to be joined. The carburetor, the lungs of the engine, is carefully attached. A protective cover is fitted, enclosing the intricate mechanics. The final pieces of the engine assembly fall into place. Each part is added with a sense of purpose and finality. Now, attention turns to where the rubber meets the road. A new tire is carefully fitted to the brilliantly painted rim. A special lubricant ensures a smooth and secure fit. The tire is worked into place with patience and strength. It's inflated to the precise pressure, ready for the open road. Further lubrication prepares the wheel for its braking system. The brake disc is mounted and torqued to specification. The complete wheel assembly is a masterpiece of color and function. The collection of restored parts gleams, a vibrant palette of potential. All the individual stories of renewal are now ready to become one. The grand assembly begins, starting with the front suspension. The forks are mounted to the vibrant blue frame. The vision is rapidly becoming a reality. The final assembly, a symphony of color and steel. The front end takes shape, a fusion of silver, blue, and gold. The front wheel is carefully guided into place. The subframe is attached, adding another layer of bold color. Every bolt is tightened with precision. The rear wheel, with its golden rim, is next. It's secured to the frame, bringing the motorcycle closer to completion. The magnificent, reborn engine is lowered into the frame. The heart of the machine is finally home. The fuel tank, a bright beacon of yellow, is set in place. The handlebars are mounted, the rider's connection to the machine. The final drive system is installed, a flash of vibrant red. The chain is adjusted for perfect tension. A gentle tap ensures everything is perfectly seated. Cables and controls are routed, the bike's nervous system. A final, meticulous check of every component. The creation stands almost complete, a testament to dedication. The beauty is in the details. Final adjustments are made with a practiced, steady hand. The transformation is complete. From relic to work of art, the finishing touches are applied with an artist's care. The new control levers are fitted to the handlebars. Every detail, down to a small bell, adds to its unique character. Now, the machine receives its name, its identity. The iconic Kawasaki logo is carefully applied. The livery is meticulously placed, piece by piece. The builder inspects his work, ensuring perfection. The final layer is peeled back, unveiling the crisp new graphic. The bodywork is complete, stunning, and vibrant. The moment of truth arrives, the first taste of fuel. Life is poured into the machine, preparing it to awaken. It stands ready, a stunning fusion of color and design. The creator stands back, a proud smile for his masterpiece. The legend is reborn. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel DT Restoration for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.